Well, with Hurricane Hilary and California's first tropical storm in almost 100 years blowing through, are there any other weather patterns we can see in the Orange County real estate market that we should be preparing for? Keep watching as we look at the state of the market for August of 2023.
Hi, we're Doug and Rachel Swardstrom with the Swardstrom Group and Coldwell Banker Realty, and we're your Orange County real estate specialists. And with all kinds of news stations talking about the strange weather phenomena we've had this year, the real estate market is having a cold front of its own. Today we'll look at what's going on in the Orange County real estate market in the month of August 2023 and how that impacts you as a home buyer and seller. The summer of 2023 has been a bit unusual in the housing market. There aren't many homes available for sale and not many people are buying or selling homes. It's like a housing cold front where things are a bit slow and quiet. Just like Southern California had cold weather in May and June, the housing market feels a bit chilly. The interest rates for mortgages have gone up, and this has affected a lot of things in the housing world. There aren't as many homes for sale, not as many people are buying homes, and not as many sales are happening compared to how things used to be before the pandemic.
You might think that the biggest problem is not many people wanting to buy homes, but actually, there aren't many homes for sale in the first place. In January, there were about 46% fewer homes available for sale compared to the average from 2017 to 2019. As the year went on, the number of available homes didn't increase much. So right now, there are about 63% fewer homes for sale than the usual average, with only 2,475 homes available compared to 6,753 in the past. This year's home inventory is the lowest it's been at the start of August since they started keeping track in 2004, even lower than last year. This shortage of homes for sale led to a record low start in 2022, and if things don't change, 2024 might break that record.
Now, the reason there aren't many homes for sale is because a lot of homeowners have mortgages with low fixed interest rates. These interest rates have gone up to 6.9% and even over 7% in some cases, but most Californians have fixed rates below 5%. Because of this, homeowners don't want to sell their homes. This year, only 14,519 homes have been put up for sale through July compared to 21,444 last year and 25,847 before the pandemic. This shortage of homes has affected everything from the supply and demand to the number of sales. Not many people are buying homes because of high mortgage rates and the lack of available homes. This has made the demand for homes very low. From January to July, the demand for homes has been at its lowest point since they started keeping track in 2004. Right now, there are only 1,580 pending sales, which is down 13% from last year, and 40% from the average before the pandemic.
So because not many people are buying, the number of homes that have been sold is also very low. Through July, there have only been 11,577 closed sales, which is down 26% from last year and 34% from the average before the pandemic. So in terms of the number of homes sold, the housing market is going through a bit of a tough time. People who work in real estate, like real estate agents and mortgage lenders, are feeling the effects of fewer sales. But the good news is that the home values are still doing well. According to Freddie Mac's Home Price Index, home values in the Los Angeles and Orange County area dropped by 7% from their highest point in May of 2022 to December of 2022. But since then, home values have gone up by 7% through June and are expected to keep rising because there aren't many homes for sale.
People are wondering, when will things get better in the housing market? When will more people decide to sell their homes? When will there be more homes available for sale? When will more people want to buy and more sales happen? The answer isn't higher mortgage rates, it's actually lower mortgage rates. If rates go below 6%, more homeowners might want to sell, and that would increase demand and sales. But it might take a while for there to be more homes available. As rates go down and more people want to buy, newly listed homes will sell quickly, which could make it hard for the number of available homes to go up. The good news is that as rates go down, as we expect them to, and demand goes up, the housing market should get better. But for now, it's a bit of a cool and slow summer in the housing market.
So what's the bottom line? While this summer might be feeling cooler than usual in the housing market, there's a silver lining to consider. Just like the sun eventually breaks through the clouds after an unexpected cold spell, the housing market has the potential to warm up again. The challenges of low inventory, hesitant sellers, and subdued demand won't last forever. As we look ahead, the key to a brighter housing future isn't about higher mortgage rates, but rather the prospects of lower rates that could motivate more homeowners to participate in the market. But change takes time. As the rates drop and demand starts to rise, we can anticipate a resurgence in newly listed homes and a more balanced housing market. The record low closed sales and hesitant trends we've seen could gradually shift as more buyers and sellers come together, rejuvenating the market's vibrancy.
So while we navigate this cool summer in the housing realm, let's remember that every season brings its unique challenges and opportunities. With thoughtful strategies and a bit of time, we can look forward to a brighter housing landscape ahead, where homeowners, buyers, and the market as a whole can thrive once again. We hope this video has provided valuable insights to help you make informed decisions and find your dream home. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel below for more informative videos on real estate topics in the future as well. We also encourage you to leave your questions or comments below, and our team will be thrilled to assist you. For personal guidance or to explore further real estate topics, feel free to reach out to us via call, email, text, or connect with us on social media. Thanks for watching. Going on